Gosh darn it, boys. Out here at my local school playground. Just made a terrible trade. Mine was not in it today. Simply put, mine was not on it today. Let's go over my usual routine. 4 hour. At the start of the day, I draw my fib level from this high to this low, because we take out that previous range low and we make a bullish reversal candle. So I kind of expect for this day to be bullish, to fill this huge imbalance, but in pre-market we actually make a little SMT here. So you see on NQ, make a higher high, and then on ES we have a lower high here, and this shows me that price is showing weakness. That usually when there's that divergence, it means we're gonna actually head on lower. So then my bias switches to this low here, right? So my bias was then to shoot for this low, and I kind of just got chopped up. So let me show you guys my first trade, which I exited prematurely, but it was actually a good stop loss. So I saw price come push up, inversing these 15-minute gaps. So I kind of thought, okay, we swept this low here. Maybe we are actually going to come up, break structure, and trade up into this premium. But if you see what happens, we tap into this fair value gap. That's my usual setup. And then I wait for a break of structure. We get that right here. I enter right here. Stop was originally here. I wanted my TP here for like a 1-to-1. But I actually get out of this trade around like this level. I'll get my executions on just to show you guys. Boom. What the fuck? Oh, wait. Was this on ES that I take this? Whoa, what the hell, boys? Where's it at? Where's the first trade, bro? This was the second one. It's not showing the first one. Does it only show you the most recent trade? What the hell? Okay, but anyway, I bought 10 micros right here. I don't know why it's not loading up, but when I logged on to ES at this point, I saw ES was already, at this point when I saw this is where I traded on NQ, but ES was the leading pair, and ES already sold out, taking out my stop. So I was like, alright, if ES took out my stop, NQ probably will too. So I closed full position at around this level, and I lost about 300 only on that trade, which wasn't bad. One trade. Dude, what? What? Bro. Dude, what happened to that other trade? The fuck? Oh, it's the practice. I'm stupid. Okay. My bad, boys. That's on the that's on the practice account. My bad. So yeah, see here, I bought here, sold on this candle close. So I actually closed like right here for a small, like $300 loss, right? Then I take this off. Then because that play didn't work out, my brain was kind of in a frenzy, and I was thinking about some bullshit my girlfriend told me. No excuses, but some BS. And when shit like that happens, your mind's just not in it. I'm not thinking clearly, dog. So what do? I'm so confident on these lows getting taken out. I wanted some sort of entry. So I had this fair value gap marked out, and I basically entered off a 1 minute closure. This is so sad, bro. This is my trade right here. But I put my stop at these body closures. Boom. Look at that, bro. We end up taking my TP out, but I lose money. This is just the name of the game, I feel like, for me. My targets are right. I'm just getting chopped up in the entries. It's just the entries. But this was a bad trade. This doesn't follow my model, because my model, I would need that 5 minute inverse shouldn't be my entry. That should be my confirmation that price is gonna hit here, and then I'd want to catch a retrace from here to here, maybe. So then we wait for price to retrace into it, and then my entry should have been something like this. Candle closure here, and then targeting here, because you see these candles right here inversing the 5 minute tells me that, okay, yeah, the 5 minute, on the 5 minute we probably are going to take out these lows. So then I wait for a 1 minute confirmation, a 1 minute break of structure, even a 1 minute inverse I could have entered off of right here, and boom, would have taken clean trade, no drawdown. So like, I lost because of decisions I made. Nobody else's fault. Definitely not the market's fault. It's just annoying, you know. I was so close to passing it. Lost 1,200 today. So now I'm risking so heavy. It's like the balance doesn't even mean shit to me, because my rebuild date isn't. I have one more day basically to trade this account before the rebuild date. So I'm probably gonna YOLO the whole account next. Whatever. What day is next? Friday. But yeah, we had unemployment claims today. Didn't really affect price too much, but yeah, I read the market well. Just fucking bad execution. Like, obviously we shouldn't be bullish here because we didn't close above this. What's it called? This green up close candle with a body. It was a wick telling us it was a liquidity sweep. And what do we know? Perfect structure, just follows through. We're bearish. Should have been on the bearish side because this SMT that long was premature, because on the 5 minute we're still bearish. Why would I take longs here? Just because we inversed the 15-minute gap? Like, dude, that doesn't tell me anything, you know? But that first trade wasn't that bad, honestly, because we are in a 5 minute for value gap. We get a break of structure, so that's not that bad. The bad trade was the second one, and that's the one I lost 1,000 on. So no big deal. I'm not gonna tweak out too much, you know. It's just one trade. You can win it back the next day, you know. But that'll do it for today. Pretty heated, upset, but life moves on. See you guys.